欢迎来到 Chinese， 我是你们老师 Gloria。Last time we have already learned how to greeting in Cantonese. Today, I'm going to teach you how to ask your friend if he or she is still studying or working. Sometimes when we meet a new friend, but it's a taboo to ask how old is he or she. So instead of asking them, 你今年幾歲？你今年幾歲？你 you 今年 this year 幾歲？幾歲 how old 你今年幾歲？ How old are you? Instead of asking their age, we prefer to ask if they still study or they have already worked. So we could ask, 你畢咗業未啊？你畢咗業未啊？你 you 畢咗業。畢咗業 here 畢業 means graduate. 咗 here is the past tense. 畢咗業 graduate. 未啊未啊未 haven't 你畢咗業未 Have you graduated? If you are still studying, then you can answer 未啊我仲讀緊書未啊我仲讀緊書未啊 Not yet 我仲讀緊書我仲讀緊書我 I 仲 still 讀緊書讀緊書 studying 緊 here is the sign of the present continuous tense 未啊我仲讀緊書 Not yet I'm still studying Or you could tell them what's your school year. And you could say, 我而家先大一。我而家先大一。我 I 而家 now 先 just 大一大一 freshman. I'm still a freshman. And if you are sophomore, then you can answer. 我而家先大二，我而家先大二，大二 sophomore. Then if you want to say I am a junior, then you could say 我而家先大三，我而家先大三。If you are senior, then you could say我而家先大四，我而家先大四，大一、大二、大三、大四。You have already graduated, then you can answer 我畢咗業啦，我畢咗業啦。I have already graduated. 我 I 畢咗業 have graduate 我畢咗業啦 I have graduated. Then maybe you want to tell your friends where do you work at. Then for example, if you work at a bank, you could say 我而家喺銀行做我而家喺銀行做而家Now 喺 is 銀行 bank 做 work 我而家喺銀行做 I work for a bank now. For me, I'm a teacher, so I would just tell my friends 我而家喺 blah blah 學校做我而家喺 blah blah 學校做學校 school. 我而家喺學校做。I work for a school now. If you work for a company, you could answer. 我而家喺公司做。我而家喺公司做。公司 company or office. That is what we learned today. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Dope Chinese with Gloria, and give me a like. And if you could, please remember to click the bell. Okay, see you next time. 再见，拜拜，下次再見啦，拜拜。